Good morning, guys. Let's go down. Si Austin, andyan lang si Austin. Palagi si Austin ganito sorry. Pagtatayo na ako, si Austin, sasakay na yan siya in my back because he doesn't like to go down alone. Dada, you're so tagal to go down. Naglag ka. Hala, naawa ka, lab. Look mo, naawa. Lab, awa. Where? Pinakialaman ng lipstick ni mama. Early in the morning. Nag-open siya ng bag ko. Do you want to play vegetables?
Yeah.
Mag-play na daw siya. Okay. You can put the chairs down.
No.
Usa?
Huta.
Duha?
Dihe.
Tolo?
Chiyon.
Upat?
Hapon.
Lima?
Lima.
Onom?
Onong.
Pito? Pito?
Pito.
Walo?
Wala.
Siyam?
Siyang.
Napo!
Napo.
Oh, good job! Bisaya si Asin. Diyan kay Mama. 1, 2, 3. Love you. For today's breakfast, ano na lang tayo mag-muesli because wala na tayong bread, wala na tayong egg, wala ng sausage, wala na ding, ano ba? Wala nang anything. Meron lang cheese but wala nang tinapay. Although, meron sana tayong kanin. Should we open this immediately? Kakabili ko lang yesterday. Open na natin agad. Yeah, let's open it immediately. Because meron naman ng rice. And then, mag-open tayo ng tuna. I-microwave na lang natin. What are you doing? Hala, uy, magluluto na si Austin, guys. Tingnan niyo ng bata. Wala na tayo egg, my love. We cannot cook because walang egg. Yes. This na lang?
Yeah.
Let's heat this up na lang. Let's heat this up. Do you know how to open this? And this is actually not working. Initin na lang. Lutuin na lang natin yan. Kaya gusto man ikaw magluto. I'll bring this. This on high. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
And then turn this on. Number 6.
Number 6.
Yeah, what number is that?
6.
Yeah, I think merong century tuna sa tubingin. So, madali naman tayo makakabili nito. And let's just open it immediately. Yeah?
Yeah.
Mama will open it, okay? Are you ready? We open it like that. And then... So... Okay. Okay! Lahat, pina-follow ni Austin kung anong pinagsasabi ko. Ay! Oh my gosh! What happened, Austin? Natanggal. Mama cannot open it then. So, we will just use this one. Do you know how to use this? Init na ni. Si init na ni. Ang kawali, init na. Say, init na. Oh, init na. So, dear Austin, you have to push it like that. And then we will open it. Ayan. Austin, say, ayan.
Ayan.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, all done. Let's open it. Mama will open it. Wala pala hirap. So guys, it's opening. Ayaw ko pa naman masayang ang oil ng Century Tuna because sobrang paborito ko yan. Wait lang, may labaw. Mama cannot open it. There. Okay. Okay, help mama. Uy, unsa man pud ng number 9 nga number? Uy. Ayan. Okay, si ayan. Sobrang umaga pa lang ang chaotic na. Oh, mix it now. Go mix it now. There you go. Diyos ko po. Unsa naman eh. Okay, go. Go mix. Okay, let's eat na lab. Dada is there. Tara mag-eat na ta. We will now eat. Pasensya sa aking walang hilamos na face. We will wash our face and change for our everyday clothes later. I'm still wearing my clothes for sleeping.
What's the plan for later?
For later, we will do the organizing of our gifts of our cabinet. Yes, this is gonna be my breakfast, a small rice, and si Austin sa tingnan nyo naman. Okay, at juda na naman si magjujuday ka and then you will eat na rayon, ha? Si Batang Budots everyday. Diyos ko po. Dadadan.
Asin.
Okay. Thank you, Dada. Okay, eat na si Austin. Labang itlata.
Austin, eat first. When you're done eating, you will get your Juday, huh? Okay? Dear?
Kiat Juday.
Sige, high five, dear. Eat first. Austin say, eat first.
Gaf naman lang. Century Tuna ko naman kasi.
Ay, palang should I public the video? How can I do that again?
Ikaw mag-itlab. You can do it. Kakahiri lang lang. Eat na. Mag-cheers talaga. Cheers. Mama and Austin, cheers. Where cheers? There. Spoon. Use your spoon. Like that.
Palangga also 1 cup.
Huh?
1 cup.
Oh, also 1 cup. There, cheers. Eat na.
Palangga, do you know where my cutter knife is to cut carton, Palangga?
To cut that?
Carton.
Kanang the small, kanang like that? I don't remember, malam.
It's my secret carton.
So yummy! Grabe talaga, na-miss ko ang... Grabe! Ay, grabe! Sarap naman ang kalamansi, century tuna. Ay, Diyos ko po. Because, what we do in the Philippines, when I was still living in the Philippines, and kasama ko mga kapatid ko, and then mag-grocery na kami, hindi talaga mawawala ang century tuna every single month na pang grocery namin.
Babo? Babo?
And I really miss it so much. But, gusto ko sana kumain ng buong one whole rice because masarap siya kainan ng rice. But, I noticed that I'm really gaining weight. Because of the past few months, talagang nakaupo lang ko since finishing my work and then studying and reviewing for the exam. Ay, sobra talagang wala na akong tayo-tayo nun. And Carson is really such a great help for me.
Mama Mia. Wait!
Yes.
What?
Talagang hindi si Carson ang nakapag-alaga kay Austin during the time na nag-review ako. Hindi ko sure kung makaka-review talaga ako na maayos. Although until now, wala pa naman exam ko na ipasok ba siya or hindi. Because we have to wait. We have to wait na mga 1 month. Austin say, wait!
Me?
Ang problem ko pala kay Austin, no? Hindi siya maligalig kumain. Hindi siya mahilig kumain. Kaya ako na lang ang, kung nabibisi siya or ano man, sinusubuan ko na lang siya. Hindi kasi siya excited magkain. Pero, kung bird ang kakainin, just like yesterday, kumakain naman siya mag-isa. Pero kung rice, hindi siya maligalig. Love, eat na, love, please. Can you eat? Eat na. Hold it na, hold. Eat na, dali, girl. We will dance, Gigi, dai! Dali, eat naman. Eat naman.
Mama!
Ikaw, yame! Hindi, ulam niya mo lang. Ikaw, yame!
Yummy!